All right, so in this video, we'll be going over using a combination of labels and pipelines to pull data out of a Commissions Inc. CRM into Sisu for reporting. So the purpose of this is so that when you hop in and see these dashboards and you want to know how many clients you've signed, how many you've put under contract, how many you've closed, even things like appointments set, appointments met, we're able to pull all this data out of your Commissions Inc. system, reducing duplicate entry and making it a lot easier to track and know these numbers. So in this Commissions Inc. account, you'll see I have a lead here. We've created some Sisu leads. So there's a bucket of labels here for listings, appointments met, set, and signed. So those are the ones that we're using labels to pull this data, or basically send a message over to Sisu and track it all inside our system. So when I go into Sisu, I can see here's this lead. It's showing up as a signed status. And I'm going to show you now the continuation of this, or how it's going to move from signed all the way through to closing. So if I go ahead and move my pipeline status now to under contract, and I'm going to give it a little bit of time. It's pretty instantaneous, but it does take a few seconds to run. We'll pop back over to Sisu. Was showing up as signed. I hit refresh. And now this lead should be showing up as under contract, and it is. So basically, just by using that pipeline stage, it's able to come in here and update, and now I'm able to use this in my reporting for, how many buyers or listings have I put under contract this month. And when I refresh this, we're not looking at the right agent right now, but when we are, you'll be able to see how many under contract, or how many closed, or signed. So all these things that we're sending over from Commissions Inc. Now I want to move it to closed. I'll just go ahead and hit sold. I'll pop the amount in here. And within a few seconds, we'll pop back over to Sisu, and we will look at, we're going to refresh this. And now we are seeing closed for this lead. When I go back, I'll refresh this time. I'm now seeing, okay, this lead has moved from signed to under contract to closed, and it's giving credit for that in the dashboard. If you're running a contest or you're simply just doing goal setting, all this is going to appear. So that's very basically how this integration works. We have a lot of flexibility as a team, the Sisu team, to set up different integrations and different ways of doing all this. This is just one example that happens to use labels and a combination of pipelines. So hopefully this is helpful. Feel free to reach out to the team if you have questions. There's a chat box in the bottom right corner of our platform where you can ask questions at any time.